All right, let's talk about AI. And no, I'm not talking about the sci-fi movies with the killer robots. The real AI revolution isn't some far-off future thing. It's already here, running silently in the background of your life. In this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain on this invisible network of AI that you're interacting with every single day.
So, let me ask you this, and be honest. How many times did you actually use AI today? Now, before you say zero, hold on a second. I can pretty much guarantee that answer is way, way higher than you think.
I mean, let's just walk through a totally normal day, right? It probably starts the second you unlock your phone with your face. Yep, that's AI. Then you hop in the car and your GPS magically finds the fastest route, dodging traffic in real time. You guessed it, also AI. And later, when you're chilling, you pick a movie that your streaming service just knows you'll love, or you scroll past an ad that seems a little too perfect. From the moment you wake up, AI is there, kind of nudging your choices, and you probably don't even notice.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's pretty simple, actually. AI has just woven itself into the fabric of our world. It's not just for tech giants or anything like that anymore. It's this essential, kind of invisible part of just modern life.
Okay, so all those little personal interactions, that's just one piece of the puzzle, right? So what happens when this technology isn't just on your phone, but it's adopted on a massive national scale? Let's zoom way out for a second and see how a whole country is putting AI into action across its entire society.
So check this out. Let's look at a country like Uzbekistan, where AI is being plugged into these huge core public sectors. In banking, it's being used to sniff out fraud. In education, it's creating these custom learning paths for students. And in agriculture, which is seriously cool, they're using drones and smart sensors to help farmers get way more out of their land. This isn't just some theory, you know? This is AI delivering real, tangible results for an entire nation.
But here's the thing. Uzbekistan isn't some isolated case. Not at all. What's happening there is really just a sneak peek of this massive global AI revolution that's totally reshaping some of the most fundamental parts of our world.
Take healthcare, for instance. The impact here is literally life-changing. We're talking about AI that can look at medical scans and data, helping doctors spot diseases way, way earlier than the human eye ever could. And the goal here isn't to replace doctors, not at all. It's to give them diagnostic superpowers.
Now think about our roads. You know, the daily traffic nightmare. Well, AI is starting to turn that chaos into a smarter, safer system. And it's not just about cool self-driving cars. We're talking about managing entire traffic grids to cut down on congestion and, maybe even prevent accidents before they even have a chance to happen.
And, of course, in the world of business, AI is just this ridiculously powerful engine for efficiency. Companies are using it to predict what you're going to buy next, to make these crazy complex supply chains run smoothly, and to give you that personalized experience everyone's always talking about. It's fundamentally changing the whole game of how commerce works. So we've gone from your phone to a whole country to the entire globe. Now let's bring it all the way back home, back to you. Whether you're a student, a pro in your field, or just someone who's curious, why does understanding this invisible revolution actually matter so much?
Well, this is kind of like your roadmap to really getting a handle on AI. It all starts with gaining insight from real-world examples, right? Moving beyond the textbook stuff. That then lets you develop some critical thinking. You start asking why things are implemented a certain way. From there, you build that professional awareness. You start speaking the language. And all of this, it leads to the most important step. It gives you the power to start designing your own innovative solutions.
And that, right there, is the ultimate goal. This isn't just about learning a new skill for your resume. It's about getting you ready to tackle the big stuff, to design solutions that can actually fix real, pressing challenges in our society.
So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. You've now seen how AI is reshaping everything from healthcare to farming. The only real question left is what real-world problem will you solve with it?